So I got a comment on my Lotus Stitch video suggesting that I should show the beginning of the stitch pattern for my 30-day stitch challenge, and I absolutely agree. So I wanted to give an update on the Lotus Stitch for anyone interested. You'll start with a chain in multiples of 6 plus 5. So I chained 24 for my multiple of 6 and then added 5 chains at the end for a total of 29 chains. Then you'll do a row of single crochet. Not everybody does this step, but I find working directly into the chain creates too much of a gap and the single crochets give more stability. So you start the next row with a single crochet in the first stitch, skip 2, and then work your lotus stitch. And the lotus stitch consists of 3 puff stitches separated by chain 2s. So you'll puff stitch, chain 2, puff stitch, chain 2, and 1 more puff stitch. You'll put those all into the same stitch, and that creates your lotus stitch. So now you'll skip 2 stitches and work a single crochet in the third, and you'll repeat that all the way down until you have 3 stitches left, and in that last stitch you'll put 2 puff stitches separated by a chain 2. So you'll puff stitch, chain 2, and puff stitch all into that last chain. And that is your first row complete. So this is the pattern repeat row. So you'll start with a single crochet in that first puff stitch from the row below. And then we're going to work all of our lotus stitches into the single crochets from the row below. So that's puff stitch, chain 2, puff stitch, chain 2, and 1 last puff stitch, all into the same single crochet from the row below. Now you'll work a single crochet in the top of the center puff stitch from the row below. And that's it. That is what you will repeat for the length of your project until you're done. So I hope this helps, and happy crocheting!